Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to access and set up the equalizer in Spotify. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to settings and privacy, and then you'll go to playback, and then scroll down until you see equalizer. Adjust different frequencies to enhance your audio experience. Tap it, and here it says equalizer can alter volume unexpectedly on some devices. If you experience problem, please disable it. So you press OK, and then to turn it on, just have to press this, and now you can adjust it the way that you want it. But I'm just gonna turn it off. So basically that is it. If you want to tweak bass or other frequencies based on your preferences, that's how you do it. Alright, that's basically it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.